You've saved up for months, packed your bags, and you're buzzing with excitement for your first cruise. But what if a simple slip-up turns your floating paradise into a nightmare? Stick around as I reveal the top 5 deadly blunders newbies make and the easy fixes to sail smoothly.
All right, let's jump right in with our countdown style breakdown. We're starting from number 5 and working our way to the absolute worst offender at number 1. For each one, I'll explain what the mistake is, why it's such a killer, think ruined trips, extra costs, or even safety risks, and exactly how to avoid it. Trust me, I've heard these horror stories from real cruisers. Learn from them so you don't repeat them. Number 5, flying in on the day of departure. Okay, mistake number 5 is a classic, booking a flight that lands the same day your cruise sets sail. It sounds convenient, right? Save a night in a hotel, hop off the plane, and straight to the ship. But oh boy, is this a recipe for disaster. Why it's deadly? Flights get delayed all the time. Weather, mechanical issues, you name it. If you're late, the ship won't wait. You'll be that person sprinting through the port only to watch your vacation wave goodbye from the horizon. We're talking thousands of dollars down the drain on missed cruises, plus scrambling for last-minute flights to catch up at the next port. It's not just costly, it's heartbreaking stress on what should be a relaxing getaway. How to avoid it? Always fly in at least 1 day early. Book a hotel near the port. Treat it like a mini pre-vacation. Check cruise line recommendations. They often suggest this. And consider travel insurance that covers trip delays. Pro tip? Use apps like FlightAware to track your flight in real time and aim for morning arrivals to build in buffer time. Smooth sailing starts on solid ground. Number 4. Assuming everything is all-inclusive. Coming in at number 4, thinking your cruise fare covers absolutely everything, like an all-you-can-eat resort. You board with visions of free-flowing drinks and endless activities, no wallet needed. Spoiler, that's not always the case. Why it's deadly? Cruises aren't fully all-inclusive unless specified. Drinks, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, excursions, gratuities, they all add up fast. First-timers often blow their budget on day 1, racking up hundreds in surprise charges. It turns a fun escape into a financial fiasco, leaving you skimping on experiences or stressing over the bill at the end. Deadly for your wallet and your vibe. How to avoid it? Research your cruise line up front. Lines like Norwegian or Carnival have more inclusions, but always check the fine print. Budget for extras. Aim for $50 to $100 per person per day on top of your fare. Download the cruise app before boarding to track spending, and consider drink or dining packages if they fit your style. Knowledge is power. Don't let hidden fees sink your ship. Number 3. Overpacking like you're moving a house. Number 3 on our list, stuffing your suitcase with every outfit, gadget, and just-in-case item under the sun. First-timers often pack for every scenario, from formal galas to Arctic expeditions on a Caribbean cruise. Why it's deadly? Cruise cabins are cozy, read tiny. Overpacked luggage means cluttered space, wrinkled clothes, and lugging heavy bags through airports and ports. Plus, if you exceed airline weight limits, hello extra fees. It kills your mobility and adds unnecessary hassle. I've seen people miss tenders because they're wrestling with too much stuff. Not to mention forgotten banned items like irons or extension cords can get confiscated, leaving you high and dry. How to avoid it? Pack smart, not heavy. Stick to a capsule wardrobe. Mix and match outfits, layers for variable weather, and one formal look if needed. Use packing cubes to organize and check your cruise's dress code and prohibited items list. No drones, candles, or surge protectors. Roll clothes to save space, and remember, ships have laundromats and shops. Aim for half of what you think you need. You'll thank me when you're zipping through embarkation. Number 2. Skipping travel insurance. We're getting serious now with number 2, not bothering with travel insurance. What could go wrong, you think? Famous last words on a cruise. Why it's deadly? Cruises involve the unpredictable. Medical emergencies at sea, lost luggage, trip cancellations due to illness or storms. Without insurance, you're on the hook for massive bills. Evacuations can cost tens of thousands, and even minor issues like missed ports add up. This mistake has turned dream trips into financial nightmares for countless newbies. Don't gamble with your health or wallet.
How to avoid it? Always buy comprehensive cruise-specific insurance. Look for policies covering medical, evacuation, trip interruption, and even cancel for any reason if you're cautious. Shop around on sites like Insure My Trip or get it through your cruise line for seamless claims. It's usually just 5 to 10% of your trip cost, cheap peace of mind. Read the policy details and buy it soon after booking to cover pre-existing conditions. Better safe than sorry on the high seas. Number 1. Ignoring safety briefings and ship rules. And the number one deadly mistake first-time cruisers make: blowing off the must-do drill, safety briefings, or basic ship rules. You rush to the pool or buffet instead, thinking it's just boring protocol. Why it's deadly? Safety isn't optional, it's life-saving. In emergencies like fires or rough seas, knowing your muster station and procedures is crucial. Ignoring rules like balcony safety or hand hygiene can lead to accidents, illnesses, norovirus outbreaks, or even getting kicked off the ship. It's the ultimate trip ruiner: health scares, injuries, or worse. Real stories from cruises show how skipping this stuff turns vacations deadly, literally. How to avoid it? Treat safety like priority one. Attend the muster drill fully engaged. It's quick and mandatory. Wash hands obsessively, follow crew instructions, and familiarize yourself with the ship layout on day one. Download the cruise app for alerts, and if you're prone to seasickness, pack remedies. Respect the rules. They're there for everyone. Your safety ensures the fun continues. Whew, there you have it, the top 5 deadly mistakes first-time cruisers make and how to steer clear for an epic adventure. Remember, a little prep goes a long way. Don't let these blunders capsize your cruise. Instead, pack smart, plan ahead, and embrace the waves. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest cruise fear? Hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a voyage. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next one. Bon voyage.